Well, everybody, we made it to the bubble room. Unfortunately, the bubble room had a lot of issues during the hurricane and is closed. We're sorry to say that. It was a great spot, great location that we were enjoying our trip to Sanibel. Many great times here at the bubble room. But unfortunately, like I said, it is closed and under serious repair from the hurricane. The good old bubble room, everybody. And the Emporium across the street, which is open. In business, back in business on the island. And the famous bubble room is unfortunately closed, everybody. Massive damages because of the hurricane. And on that note, we have to go find another place for lunch in Sanibel. The famous bubble room closed.